Alright, today's video will be about how to deal with caring too much. And when I say caring too much, it's usually related to how, like in the past, there were certain friends or certain family members I just really cared a lot about, just based on interactions, experience we've had, memories. It's like sometimes I felt like I valued those memories and valued those experiences way more than them, and that I cared significantly more about them and about our experiences. And although maybe that was true, it led me to places that I didn't like. Basically, I just felt very emotional and very it hurt a lot, basically. And I didn't want to, I guess, be in that state of pain or hurt just because of my own thoughts. In many ways, they still, the people I interacted with, they still cared about those moments. It just felt like I cared way more and that I cared too much in some ways. And I'm just someone who, I guess, a little background, one of the things that makes me this way is probably due to my experience with the divorce of my parents and how my dad basically left when I was a teenager, a kid. And I just felt abandoned in some ways. And every time I felt like there was something similar with a friend or a family where they disconnected with me or felt distant, it felt bad and it felt sad. And I've outgrown it at this point. There's still scars, of course, but I feel like the way that I deal with it now is that I think about the people that care about me. I think about the people that I interact with that love me, and the people and memories that I've shared with people where, they've said those things and it's very clear that they do care. And I remember it. I remind myself there are people that love me, there are people who care about me, and I have to oftentimes remind myself that whenever I feel these feelings, and it helps a lot just to remember that there are people who care. And another thing is also just giving more to people who do care about you, putting in your efforts. Let's say you care a lot about someone you met that's new, a new friend, you feel like you guys get along really well, you want to form a stronger connection, but it doesn't work out. Something happens where there's distance, and from there it's good advice to just focus on the people that care about you, the people that you already established good relationships with, and give the effort to them instead. There's a value that I have that I say sometimes. It's I will remember that others act on their desire, not mine. I'll do my best to carry out my desires and what I want and fight for what I want, but at the end of the day, if it involves another person, they will have their own will and desire, and I have to respect that. And sometimes caring too much, it will hurt, but that's just the reality of it. And those two tips help a lot, just giving attention and caring about people who care about you already. And in the case that's hard to do, just continue to try to work on yourself and become stronger, your best version of yourself, I guess. Work on yourself, and eventually, I'm sure, I feel like by doing that, it attracts other people who value that quality about someone, where they are working on themselves, they're trying to be good people, and you'll eventually meet people who you can form relationships with and friendships, and find people who care deeply about you. At least that's been my experience so far. Okay, that's it for this one. Hopefully that helps. Catch you guys in the next one.